And we are happy that most Kenyans, like the coastal people, have decided that the elections are over. Elections were won and lost, and they have moved on with their lives. As we speak, the Azimio demonstrations have been left in Kisumu and Kibra. And we want to take this opportunity to ask the people of Kisumu and Kibra to call themselves for a small meeting and ask themselves what they're up to. When the rest of Kenyans are moved on, you are just there being used by somebody for his own selfish ends. The coast people know more than anybody else how they have been misused. In 2017, the coast region voted for Raila Odinga to a man. When he decided to go for a handshake with President Uhuru Kenyatta, he never brought anybody along from the coast region. When he negotiated for development with President Uhuru Kenyatta, he never brought anything to the coast. When he negotiated for positions for his people, he did not pick anybody from the coast. And as you progress, the coast people must now ask themselves a reason. Why would ever want to wake up in the morning to vote for that man? That is something I want you to think about.